I'm going to take this frame from Dollar Tree and put some Christmas balls, some trees and leaves and different decorative things. I'm going to place it all the way around it until I do the whole thing different colors. And I took this plate and a mirror and then place it on top. I'm going to take my glass and put my candle inside. Then I'm going to put flowers in different decorated different ways. This is the first way how it turns out. Super cute. This is more like a simple look if you don't want it to be more extravagant and you don't want no color in it. So now if you want it with different color, the only thing you will have to do is just replace the flowers. So this one's how is the red will turns out. Super cute and easy, and I think it's so easy to do. Now for the next day, where I grab one of these round mirror, I'm gonna place it upside down. I'm gonna take some Christmas ball, the small one, and I'm going to put some hot glue all the way a little bit around it like that, and then I'm gonna place it in the middle. So I'm going to do this to 4 to 4 sides of the mirror like that. Then I'm going to flip it around, take my Christmas ball, and I'm going to take my hot glue and attach it in the corner like that. So I'm going to continue doing this until I do all the way around it. Then I'm going to take this little string, I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to place it all the way around as well. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This one you can use it for to display your drinks, your candy, cookies. You could use this for so many other things. This is the first DIY, but I also did it in 2 different ways that I'm going to show you right now how it turns out, that you don't only have to make it for serving a plate. You could also go ahead and grab your candle. This is a powder candle that I'm going to put down in the link down below, so if you guys want to go check it out. You could do so many things with this powder. I'm just giving you a different idea. So you're just going to go ahead, pour it there, put your you could cut out, it comes with a wick that you could cut it out, and then you're going to place it all the way around your plate. You could put as many as you would like. Don't put too many, it will be too bright, but I put a few of them. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. It could be a big candle that you could display it on your table, which is super cute, super unique, and different things that you guys can do with this decorations. Not only that, you could also display cute little things inside. Put a reindeer, I put a little Christmas tree just to make it for this holiday decorations. You can also do it in different colors. You don't have to do it in gold like this, like I did. I also add up a little bit red in here, so it would turn out some red, so it could turn out something different for Christmas. And this is how it turns out, guys. This is something so cute that you guys can do at home. For the next DIY, I grab one of these garland from Dollar Tree and I spray painted in white, like a little bit all the way around. Then I place my plate and attach it with hot glue all the way around it. Then I grab a few branches and put it on each side one by one, and then I attach it with hot glue in the inside. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple to do. Just put some string light and it came out super cute. This is in white. You could do it in any color you like. Thanks again for watching a Special Creations by Nelly.